This is an instruction video on how to insert audio into PowerPoint 2016. First, we open up PowerPoint. And for the sake of this instruction video, I'm going to open a blank presentation and insert a new slide just for space. Now I'll move to Insert. Once I click Insert all the way to the right, second from the last, there's Audio. You'll click this and it'll give you two options. Audio on my PC will allow you to choose from pre-existing audio you have already downloaded. Record audio allows you to record your audio at the moment when you click it. For the sake of this video, we are going to choose audio on my PC. We can choose the audio we want, and you can look in other tabs as well, wherever you have audio saved. For the sake of this video, we will click this one and insert it. It'll come up as a very small light gray audio symbol. You can move this around, enlarge it by clicking the corners. And for the sake of this video, we are going to go to the Home tab and hit Shape Fill to add some color to it, just so that you can see it a little better. But do remember that it comes in a small, light gray audio symbol. Now, once you have positioned it where you want it to go, you can hit play by hitting this play button right here. The audio that I have selected will not play in the video, but when you select your audio and press play, it will play for you. And that is how you insert audio into PowerPoint. Thank you so much, and I hope this benefits you when you try it on your own.